This tutorial will cover how to add a new member in QuikCheK Cloud. From the home page you can click on the members link on the blue navigation bar at the top of the screen. You will see a link on the left to add a new member. There's also a link to add new member on the left menu when you're viewing an existing member's record. Let's click on that to open the Add New Member screen. A quick add would be entering the member's name and phone number, then choosing a group and membership type and clicking Save. The rest of this tutorial will go over the entire Add Member screen. The first and last name fields will auto-capitalize themselves, and when entering a phone number it will move from field to field on its own as you type. The locker number field would be the member's locker number, and the barcode field would be the number the member has on their barcode key tag or membership card. The member number is auto-generated. It finds the largest member number in your database and chooses the next number. You can enter your own member numbers if you choose. In Setup, go to Membership, then Options, and choose Manually Enter Member Numbers, then save your settings. The email address and address fields are self-explanatory. You can use your Tab key to move between fields. When you get to the city field, you can either click on the drop-down or press your spacebar to reveal a list of cities you have previously stored. If you're looking for San Francisco, you can type the letter S on your keyboard and it will immediately go to the S's. If you're going to add a new city to the list, click in the empty field then type in the city name. When you're done, don't click on the city name or to the side, or the new city will not be saved. Just press Enter on your keyboard and the city will be added to the city list. The same behavior is in the state field. If you click on the field and press W on your keyboard, it will take you to the W's if any exist. Enter the zip code in the zip code field to complete the address information. Next you can select a group and a membership type from the drop-down menus. Again, pressing the first letter of the membership type you're looking for will take you to the first one in the list that begins with that letter. The site field will populate itself according to the club location you're logged into. The source field is where you can specify how the member heard about the club. The Entered By field will show the name of the employee that is logged in. The Entered On field will show today's date. You can use the Sales Rep field to show which employee made the sale. You can enter the emergency contact name, phone number and relationship into the emergency contact info section. Be sure to enter the date of birth in the correct format, as month, day then year. Next you can choose gender. If it's other or they choose to not answer, you can leave it blank. Social security number and driver's license numbers can also be entered and saved. The last fields are used for employer info. You can save their company name, phone number and position. The only required fields are first and last name, group and membership type. Your club may require more. You can always save the initial information and go back and complete the remaining fields later if you're in a rush. When you're done filling in the fields that your club requires, click Save at the bottom. That will take you to that member's newly created record, where you can now take a member photo or add a membership. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The next video will show you how to link an add-on to a main member. Let's add another member onto Vincent's membership. You'll need to make note of Vincent's member number, and save it somewhere. Now let's look up Tina, and make her an additional member on Vincent's account. If the additional member isn't in the system yet, you will enter them the same way you entered Vincent. After saving the record you will enter the main member's member number into the main member number field, then click Save. Once they are linked together you will see the main member's name appear under the main member number field. If you click on Synchronize, a screen will pop up where you can have QuikCheK copy the address and phone number of the main member over to the add-ons record. Use this feature only if both members live in the same residence. If you only want to copy the address over to the add-ons record, then you can uncheck the phone numbers. A message will confirm that the records have been synchronized. Now that the members are linked to each other, here's a few tips on how to move between their records. The main member's name is now shown as a link on the add-on screen. If you click on it, it will take you to the main member's record. If you're viewing the main member, you can click the add-ons link at the top of the screen and see all of the additional members linked to the main member's membership. If you click on the details link on the right, it will take you to the add-ons record. Clicking the main members link at the bottom takes you back to the main member again. To disconnect two members, go to the add-on record and remove the main member number, then save. That will make them individual members again. QuikCheK also has a corporate member number field. It allows you to link members to a corporation, then you can pull reports to find all members that are from a specific company. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would like your own tutorial video, email us at qc@healthclubsoftware.net.